Borders. They chain you, limit you, tell you where you belong. But do you really belong anywhere? Here's the brutal truth nobody dares say. Nationalism is breaking you. It feeds on your fears and your tribal loyalties, holds you hostage with lies about identity and pride, while the real prize, freedom, is slipping through your fingers. You feel it every day. The frustration when your world is boxed in by invisible lines. When your talent, your vision, your drive clash with outdated walls drawn on maps. You see the chaos nationalism fuels, wars, division, stagnation, and inside, there's a fire burning, begging for something more, for something bigger. Think about this. What if the world could be truly borderless? Not a fantasy, but a revolution, where your work, your network, your power fly free, untethered by geography or ideology, where success depends not on your nationality or your flag, but on your grit, your ideas, the value you create. Imagine waking up every day knowing your tribe isn't defined by land, but by shared purpose with the few who dare to break the system. You don't want to be a prisoner of inherited boxes anymore, subject to a script written by nations obsessed with control. You want to be unleashed, part of a force that transcends nationality, thrives on diversity, and rewrites what it means to belong. Here's the secret most won't tell you. Nationalism won't die by waiting for leaders or politicians or some distant utopia. It ends when you decide to stop playing by their rules. Step 1. Refuse to be confined. Yes, reject the illusion of fixed identity. Own your right to choose who you are, beyond borders, beyond labels. Stop thinking like a citizen of a country. Start thinking like a citizen of humanity, with the audacity to connect globally. This means obsessively hunting down those rare others who don't settle for the status quo. Founders, investors, leaders who get that the future isn't local, it's universal. Connect with them. Build real, fierce networks that are autonomous, not tied to national agendas. Those relationships will shatter isolation and spark synergy like nothing you've ever experienced. Step 2. Fight the system's lies that comfort equals safety. Comfort is the enemy of becoming. You must lean into discomfort, into the hard questions about why nationalism survives. Fear, scarcity mindset, division. Get ruthless with yourself. Identify exactly where you cling to tribal thinking because of comfort or false security. Then smash that grip. Every bridge you build to someone different is a grenade thrown into the fortress of nationalism inside your mind and yours alone. Step 3. Use your power as an individual productively. Don't worship freedom as some vague idea. Build it. Create ventures, innovations, ideas that ignore borders and push humanity forward. Think globalization, not as dissolving nations, but transcending them strategically. Invest smartly, build boldly, leverage diversity, not just because it's nice, but because it's a battlefield advantage. Capital is your weapon, and it must fund the impossible, not the complacent. Remember this: nationalism thrives on your silence, your compliance, your waiting for someone else to fix the broken world. It dies when you rise, connect, and act. You don't have to be many to move mountains. The few who break free become the many who reshape everything. Cosmopolitanism isn't a dream. It's a call to arms for those sick of limits and ready to dominate their destiny. So stop letting borders decide your fate. Stop trusting broken systems to protect you. Start building your global tribe, bold, autonomous, relentlessly synergistic. Because the moment you do, nationalism starts to crumble under the weight of your freedom. This is your inevitable revolution. No flags, no borders, only becoming.